Question 25. Solve e to the natural log of 5 minus x equals 7. So there's a few ways to solve this question. There's a few facts I want to go over before we get into this work. The first fact that you should have memorized is the natural log of e equals 1. Why is that? Well, if you were to convert this expression to an exponential, the base is e, which we don't see the base, e to the 1 obviously equals e. So that's why that's true. Better just to memorize it. Natural log of e is 1. The second formula, a little bit more complicated to memorize this one, but it's b to the log base b of x. B to the log base b of x always equals x. And the simple reason for that, an explanation, not a formal one, is that this is an exponential with a base of b. This is a logarithmic with a base of b. An exponential and logarithmics are inverse functions. So we're left with the argument. Essentially, they undo each other. I should qualify this and say this is only true based on the domain of log, so x would have to be greater than 0. We should put that disclaimer in there. So if we apply this rule to this particular question, it's really the same. My base is e here, and my base of natural log is e, which I don't see. So I'm quickly left with just the inside argument. So I'm actually left with 5 minus x equals 7. And then if we subtract the 7 from both sides and add the x to both sides, I get negative 2 equals x. So the answer is A. I probably should show you how to do this in another way, and let's do this another way. If we start with the question, let's think I'm going to prove this. If we start with the question e natural log of 5 minus x equal to 7. Well, the one thing I can do is natural log both sides. And it's common to want to natural log something to bring down a variable exponent. So I'm not going to natural log e to the natural log of 5 minus x. And then the other side just becomes natural log of 7. Now, because this is a natural log, I can bring my exponent to the front. So this becomes natural log of 5 minus x. And then it's natural log of e. And that equals natural log of 7. Well, we said up top, natural log of e is 1. So the natural log of 5 minus x equals the natural log of 7. So we can look at and compare the inside arguments now, because the outside is the same. So we have 5 minus x equals 7, and we will get the same solution as before, x equals minus 2. Fun with logs.